This is an emergency video because Bitcoin is currently looking really bearish, and in this video I will show you guys my next trade on Bitcoin. You can copy trade me if you want to, of course no financial advice, but I'm going to open a live trade with you guys right now and show you guys exactly why I'm going into this trade. I'm going to do this over on Bybit, so if you want to trade with me, then make sure to go to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account using the link in the description, first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account. You will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, plus you will get 25% off fees if you use my link. So yeah, that's a win-win, of course. Now, what is our trade going to be? Well, you can clearly see it right here. This is going to be a massive shorting position. Currently, we're creating a symmetrical triangle at massive Bitcoin resistance, previous resistance, support, of course, now turning into resistance. And Bitcoin is most of the time likely to break to the downside if we have massive resistance at the upside. So yeah, I'm currently expecting something to like this to play out and then a move to the downside. And that's why we're going to open a massive shorting position. And also we're creating a bear flag, which is also a really bad and bearish sign, of course, for Bitcoin. So that's also why I am currently going for a short position. I'm going to place a limit order with my take profit and stop loss. So you can see that my limit order will be at $31,000. I will place my stop loss at $31,500, just above this last yearly high. And my take profit is going to be at 28,400 because that's where we previously got a lot of resistance, which will now turn into support. I think this is a pretty valid short position. Decent risk to reward ratio of 4.69, which is really nice. And yeah, I'm going to open this position, like I said, over on Bybit. If you want to trade with me, first link in the description. Now let's open this. I'm going to use isolated 10x leverage. We're going, of course, for a short position with an order price at 31k. Then I'm going to use about 1.2k in actual margin. We're of course needing to open with stop loss and take profit. So our take profit is going to be at 28,400, just like I mentioned. We need to click short. Our stop loss is 31,500, and this is going to be a really decent risk to reward ratio. I'm going to make an expected 1k, and the max I can lose is about $200, so that's a really nice risk to reward ratio, and I'm pretty excited for this position. So we're going to click on confirm, open short, double check everything, open short, confirm, as you guys can see right here. Let me triple check this. Yes. And now we have an order price here at $31,000. If Bitcoin trades into $31,000, my position will get filled. And that's basically what I just want to show you guys right now. I'm currently opening this position. You can copy trade me or not, but this is no financial advice. This is just my own trade on my own account. And I just wanted to show you guys this because most of the time I'm making a lot of money trading over on Bybit. If you want to trade with me, like I said already, but you can go to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account using my link. You will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses and 25% off fees. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this quick short position. I'm currently opening, of course it's still a limit order. I will let you guys know over on my Telegram channel. I think it's the second or third link in the description when it actually gets filled, or I will make an emergency Bitcoin video. So yeah, that being said, I hope you like this video. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next Bitcoin video.